how to set back tap or double tap to turn on or turn off voice control on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the main settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down, then tap on Touch. Now in here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. And from this screen, you can choose between double tap or triple tap. I'm going to select double tap. Then scroll down, and in the accessibility section, you want to select voice control. Now once that is selected, you can use the double tap shortcut to turn on voice control. So here it is, voice control is turned on. So if I double tap on it, it will turn off voice control. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.